Good morning, teacher and classmate of professional ethics. I'm Johana Casas, I'm a student of public accounting. In the first session, I will answer the question raised for activity 2. Introduction. Professional ethics is important to have a good performance. In this case, we see that the poor decision where professional ethics is compromised and economy can go to a crisis and how this decision we make affects the life of others. Question 1. What are the ethical rights associated with derivatives? Counterparty rights where company carry out negotiation in order to benefit from obtain desired interest rate, which leads to economic risk in the company likened to these negotiation signs. Mailings. This can lead to bankruptcy a company or less lots of money. Risks of small investors due to lack of knowledge under the derivatives business with fully aware of the type of negotiation they are doing, and this leads to great economic loss. Leverage risks the governments that leverage their debts generates more risk signs when used derivatives they generate an install investing and this may lead to a debt greater than the feared. Question 2. What is the difference between making and bad business decisions relate to derivatives and participation in unit behaviors using derivatives? The difference is that a bad commercial decision is that due to ignorance or misinterpretation of market, a purchase of derivatives is made that ultimately generates bad economic results and unethical behaviors in that they uniprivilege information for particular convenience, either or to benefit a specific group or hurt the interests of others. Question 3. What type of investment decision lead bearing back UBS, Beer Steer, and Lehman Brothers to such financial disasters? The types of investigation that bankrupt this organization are surprise mortgage, its acquisition of derivatives, financial mismanagement, and unethical alliance. Question 4. You can an ethnical corporation cultured with adequate international controls, including ethnic and compliance policies, prevent future disaster in financial companies. Make good decisions with high-risk investigations, have a clear investigation system with transparent process, external audits, transparent organization cultures. Conclusion. To conclude, it is important to point out that in professional life, it is important to be integral in every decision we make, as this can consider affect an economic or company, and it is in our decision that we reflect our evaluations. Thank you.